Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a BMW 1 Series grill off. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 torque screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked safely on a level surface before you begin. Understanding that the grill is held by a combination of clips and screws will make the process much smoother. This preparation ensures you have everything ready for a quick and easy removal. Now, let's get started. Open your car's hood to gain full access to the top edge of the grill. You'll see several retaining clips along the upper part. Carefully use your trim removal tool to gently pry these clips open. Take your time with each one to avoid any accidental damage to the surrounding trim or the grill itself. Patience here will save you a lot of hassle. With the upper clips released, you can now gently pull the top of the grill slightly forward. This action will give you better access to the lower retaining clips, which are often a bit trickier to reach. Carefully unclip these remaining fasteners, again using your trim removal tool if needed. Once all clips are free, the entire grill assembly should pull straight out from the bumper with minimal effort. You're almost done. To reinstall, simply align your new grill with the openings and push it firmly into place until you hear and feel all the clips engage. Double-check that every clip is securely fastened to ensure a snug and stable fit. This prevents any rattling or movement while driving. And hey, while you're working on your car, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your BMW 1 Series grill removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.